If you need a warm, filling dinner that actually stretches your grocery budget, this Homestyle chicken noodle soup is hard to beat. This is one of those real-life recipes, simple ingredients, no shortcuts, and plenty of leftovers for lunches or freezer meals. It's the kind of meal that tastes like a hug in a bowl, perfect for a chilly evening or when you just need some comfort food. Plus, it's so much better than anything you can get from a can. Let's get cooking. First things first, we need to build our flavor base. Grab a large pot or a Dutch oven and heat up a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter over medium heat. The combination of oil and butter gives it a really nice richness. Once that's shimmering, add 1 diced onion, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks. This trio is called a mirepoix, and it's the foundation of so many amazing soups and stews. We're going to cook this for about 6 minutes, stirring occasionally, until everything gets nice and soft. You'll start to smell that amazing aroma filling your kitchen. Now, add to minced garlic cloves and cook for just another 30 seconds. You want it to be fragrant, but be careful not to let it burn, or it'll turn bitter. Next, it's time for the liquid. Pour in 8 cups of chicken broth. You can use store-bought or homemade, whatever you have on hand. Then, add about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. I'm using chicken thighs because they're more flavorful and stay tender, but chicken breasts work great too. Just nestle them right into the broth. Now for the herbs. Add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and a bay leaf. These simple seasonings will give our soup that classic home-style taste. Bring the pot to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover it, and let it cook for about 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Once the chicken is done, carefully take it out of the pot and place it on a cutting board. Let it cool for a few minutes so you don't burn your fingers, then use 2 forks to shred it into bite-sized pieces. Set the shredded chicken aside for now. Back to our pot of broth. It's time to add the noodles. I'm using about 6 ounces of white egg noodles. Pour them in and cook according to the package directions, which is usually about 7 to 8 minutes, until they're just tender. You don't want to overcook them because they'll continue to soften in the hot broth. Finally, we bring it all together. Return the shredded chicken to the pot. Give it a good stir and let it warm through for a minute or two. Now, taste it and season with salt and fresh black pepper. The amount you need will depend on how salty your broth was, so always taste as you go. To finish, stir in about a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. This adds a burst of freshness and color. And here's my secret tip. A little squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end really brightens up all the flavors. It's optional, but I highly recommend it. And there you have it. A big, beautiful pot of Homestyle chicken noodle soup. It's hearty, delicious, and makes your home smell incredible. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. If you want more recipes like this, you can browse our full soups and stews cookbook. The link's in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy easy budget-friendly recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe.